Well, hello everyone, welcome back to Scenic Steps, and today we are off for a little trot around Northcliffe Woods. So I have done this once before, so hopefully you enjoy the photos that come along with it. And look at Roxy rocking a new harness. People won't confuse her for a boy anymore. And then there's little legs. Rox. So this is new, this wasn't here the last time that I came, so let's use it exactly what it's for. These little legs come in, little scenic steps. And this is what that's for, so you can look up. What a nice view that is. Come on, you can get up there. The sky bed. When you turn around, don't look at the sun because that's very bright. I'll put my phone there. And then you look up. It's a nice little stop spot in woods. No, no bouncing. It's not for that. Yeah. Very nice, isn't it? And Roxy wants to come up, but she ain't.
Look, behind it there's a spoon.
A spoon? Oh yeah.
There's a spoon behind it.
A spoon. I wonder why the spoon's there. Someone sat here and forgot it if they've had a yoghurt.
Or a breakfast.
Or the breakfast. Possibly. Well, I can tell you now, that was pretty difficult to get off. Look, Northcliffe Arch Trail Skybed. This skybed is an interactive sculpture made by the team of neat people. Take a moment to relax and enjoy the changing canopy above us throughout the different seasons. This has been designed as an interactive artwork. Please use it for its intended purposes and supervise children around this structure. And then we've got little legs on there. Roxy wants to get on, but she can't. And as you've just seen, I've just got some beautiful photos of the sky and the canopy. And as you all know, that's one of the favourite places I like to look. What? And Little Scenic Steps has found a den. I know you're inside it, I can see you're inside it. What is it, a game of hide and seek? You've lost that one, haven't you? Roxy and her sticks. Surprised she hadn't tried getting that. And look, don't you think she looks like a nice girl now? What?
No, when I'm 16. When I'm 16, I'm going to go skydiving.
Well, he thinks he's off skydiving. When he's 16. Look at all these in the trees.
What?
Look at all these in trees.
It's kind of spider web.
No, I don't know what they're called, to be honest. They're like little sculpture things, aren't they?
I think the spider with
You think the spider webs?
yeah, but
Northcliffe Arts Trail sound horn. So this sound horn is an interactive piece of art made by the team of neat people. Sound horn is designed to amplify sound from within it, but it can also work to block out the sound around you and just focus on what you can hear directly in front of you. This has been designed as an interactive artwork. Please use it for its intended purpose and supervise children around this structure.
what's this mountain?
That's to hold it up. And look like just spotted wild garlic.
Wait, what's this?
She's there.
What?
Smells very nice, those wild garlic, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
It's everywhere.
Major sign.
Some more mushrooms.
Maybe can only fit that.
Well, you know what photo's coming up, don't you? So this is where they also do the Shipley and Saltaire men's shed, which is there, and that's for people with learning disabilities and everything like that. My Uncle Phil, as you've seen in videos before, Uncle Phil, he comes here and it really helps him on some days, I guess. He enjoys it, he does his woodwork, and it's just a good place for people that have disabilities, etc. And because it's dinner time, I think we maybe walk that way, let little legs have a little play in the park, and then back to the car. So come on, this way we go. Well, we've just left the little park bit. There is another little bit here, but we left the other bit of park because there's stale dog shite smeared all over the swings. And Thorley, little scenic steps, we're just about to get on it. Good job I've got a good mind for stuff like that.
Scenic steps. Daddy's little scenic steps.
I'm little scenic steps. So, right now, Thorley, come on.
Bye.
Yeah, because you're not touching them. Not if they've got dog shit smeared all over them.
Stand up.
Right, so that's end at walk for today. I hope you've enjoyed the bits of video and the photography. So I will say one thing though, and I didn't notice this bit last time. There's spots around here where it's just riddled with dog doo-doo. It's on the children's park, it's on the swings, which is absolutely disgusting. And in places it stinks. It's a nice place, don't get me wrong, but I don't think I'll be back anytime soon. So here's a little clip of where I am. Some final views for you all. That way is over at Burley-Moor. That way is going up to Baildon. You can see the top of Baildon Moor there. And we're back at the end. Even though the dog poo bins, it don't get used very much. So Roxy's going to go on the lead and then it's back to the car.